Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm showing you today the magnetic polygel that I got from that kit in the last videos. I broke it up so that way you can see it more in detail. This is using this bottle here. It's a really pretty red. I was a little nervous on using polygel that's magnetic. I wasn't sure how it was going to work. Mainly because polygel you have to press on, so I was worried it was gonna mess up that magnetic design, and I have to say it worked really well. It took a little bit of getting used to, a little finessing, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So again, in this video I'm using these dual forms that are stilettos, and it makes it super easy to lay the polygel on. So it didn't say if you're supposed to place it on first and then use the magnet. It didn't really explain how to do it exactly, so I did it this way before I laid it on my nail, and then once I had it in place I kind of did it quickly again before I cured it, just to get like a stronger line. And because it's not clear, I cured it a little longer than my normal time, only because I wanted to make sure it would harden and cure properly. And I did the underside as well to be sure for that also. But once you pop it off, it looks so pretty. Check that out. So cool. And it didn't really have a tacky layer. I think in the end I used an alcohol wipe, but just because it was a normal thing I normally did, but it didn't feel tacky at all. So I used a safety bit and just go around the cuticle and buff it up a little bit. Again, this is polygel, so it's super soft and easy to file. And that's it all buffed out and ready for a top coat. So this has to be like my favorite part. Popping these off and seeing that result. It's so pretty. So a little cuticle oil, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had so much fun working with this product. And there it is. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.